Hello, welcome. Sorry, I was trying to think. Welcome to another Coding Notes Every Day Until I Get a Job. This is day 144. I hope my voice. So yeah, I'm currently diving deeper into JavaScript. Um, the TLDR is that I failed an interview because I couldn't answer a simple question, and this is sort of like a revenge arc, so to speak, or like a how would I say it? Like a way for me to redeem myself by learning the basics again. Because, I guess I've been using AI for too much abstraction, and so I kind of forgot some of the basics. So here I am taking a revenge, basically. So yeah. So if the year is divisible by 4, this is correct. And this is the n. Number is, yeah, unless the year is also divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. Then we want a condition where it is a leap year. So it is not divisible by 100. Yes, okay. Unless the year is also divisible by 100, then it is a leap year. So we have the third one, and number is divisible. Because if I'm not mistaken, modulo is like, if it's modulo 0, that means it is divisible. Or I could be wrong, but it's okay. If the year is a leap year, return. Can I do, yeah, okay, return. Let's do, can I do that? Yes, I can. Okay, return. But then I need to console log the function. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So we're gonna be using the string literal. Number is a leap year. Okay. Else return. Oops, sorry. Different. Okay, let's see. You will replace here with the parameter defined in the leap year function, yeah, which is the number. Let's just do year, okay? Oops. I forgot how to do it in NeoVim, but there, ha ha ha. There's a better way to do it, but it's okay. Let's see if my logic is correct. It probably won't be, but it's okay. How are you learning? So JavaScript, our dear old, yes. So sorry, kind of wanna. So yeah, hello Abhishek, hello Kaiva. Hope everyone is doing well today. Thank you for joining in and accompanying me with the study. I'm using free code cam. So yeah, if you guys are interested, it's like free, interactive, um, like what do you call it? Sandbox, like a coding practice place, and it's just very cool, very nice. And yeah, I hope I could get the certification so that there is like at least like a proof that I actually have learned JavaScript before. But thanks, man. I hope you would stay, but if you need to do something else, then that's okay too. Okay. I know should add music, but I kind of just want to be very silent today. I don't know. I don't feel like listening or playing any music, but if you guys request, then let's do it. Hey, 2024 is a leap year. Nice. Okay, let's try 2000, I think. So I think we should do that, and then in below it, we should like do year equals to 2000, and then we can do this again, because you know JavaScript works like this, hopefully. Oops. And then what we can do is also change it to like 100 and check it if it's correct. Sorry, I forgot to save it. Now it should do that. Okay, there is something wrong. 1900 is supposed to not to be a leap year, so there has to be something wrong with the logic here. What is the mistake? Hey, thank you. Okay, so I think, okay, this is wrong because it checks everything. Okay, so that means, okay, let's try to go back to the script. For example, 2000 is a leap year, but 1900 is not. Also, leap year has an extra day. Fulfill the user stories below. Okay. If the year is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Divisible by 4, I mean, using modulo basically means that it is divisible, right? If it's not equals to 0, that means it's not divisible. But I guess, wait, yeah, let me try. Maybe my logic is inverted for the second condition. And then the next one is, unless the year is also divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. Okay, how would that work? Yeah, is my logic incorrect with this one? Unless the year is also divided. Okay, okay. Unless the year is also divisible by 100, then it's not a leap year. Ah, okay. So this sorry. This is my brain is inverted. It's supposed to be the same. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, let's try it. Okay, that's not right. Okay. Okay. Wait, that's the or. Sorry, I forgot. This is terrible. It's not or. It's supposed to be and. Sorry, it's supposed to be and. Sorry, I think this should be correct. This one. Okay, no, it's not. It's the opposite. Okay. What did I do wrong? Is it like this? But 2000 is a leap year. Okay. This is gonna be wrong. This is gonna be right. You should declare a result. Okay. You should call the function pass year as parameter. You should declare a result variable. You should store the result of calling. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And then or maybe. Okay. This one, right? That means this one is the or. Okay, that's not right as well. Okay. Is my logic inverted this time? Okay, no. Still wrong. Okay, what did I do wrong? What is the wrong answer? Do you guys have any suggestion? Or operates. Or. Man, I couldn't even do something as simple as this, man. I'm cooked. Wait. Okay. Should I make like okay? Unless the year is also divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. If I do this, would that work? Why is it undefined? How is it undefined? Okay. Okay, let's ask AI to do it. Because oh my god, man, I am such a how is it? How can how come it's wrong? Oh my god, are you serious? Okay, including okay, we sleep here. The condition is 99% correct. If yours is already filled, okay, so huh, okay. There's actually more. Okay, so if it's why does it start with a divisible by 400? Yeah, easily appear. Okay, that makes sense. Easily appear. Else if bro. Okay, so why does it not work? Yeah, is it because okay, the too broad one I understand because that means yeah it defeats the purpose of that. But that means yeah. Okay, okay, I think I understand. Never mind. This also doesn't work. Uh but 2024 is wait what? But it's wrong because 2024 is a leap year. Okay, I'm gonna ask a different AI because this no ChatGPT is not giving a good answer. Wait, what? How come it's? I'm confused, man. This is even better. This is give like a type safe answer. Like, oh, if it's not a number, then oops, sorry. How come this work? Okay, let's do let's see what grok function is leap year. It takes year as an argument. It's okay. I don't need the input validation. It's fine. If so, okay. Always start with the negative case. If it's not divisible by 4, then return year is not a leap year. Else if oh no, it's just an 3 if blocks. Huh. Okay, that is actually much better implementation, I guess. No, that doesn't work. Okay, this does. Okay, let's try. Is yours is way more compact, by the way, so that's much nicer. Okay, that means we cannot use. I don't know why. Okay, let's just do that, and let's do num num. What do you mean cannot do? You know, it's fine. What? Okay, I'm so fucking confused right now. Okay, this should work. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Thank you, paper chain. Okay. There we go. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's copy. Oops. Let's copy our answer and let's test it. Thank you. Okay. Okay. This is not working, is it? The test case, bro. The test case just isn't really. Well, at least it's very strict, so you wouldn't be making mistakes like I did. So let's try it again. Okay, you should declare a result variable. You should store the result of calling your function in a variable called result. You should output the result. Ah, okay. So we should create that result, and then we should do result is equals to this, I guess. Although I'm not sure if I can do well, technically you can. It's just that it's gonna keep changing it over and over again. You should declare. I did. Was it still okay? Okay, I understand it now. Okay, so no, this is not what it wants. It want result is equals to is sleep year by year, and they want the console log result. This is what they want. So we can just copy, paste, paste. So this should work. There we go. It worked. Thanks, guys. Okay. Okay. Implement the truncate string algorithm. Okay, I don't know how this works, but let's do it anyways. Let's open a new folder. Truncate string.js. Okay, let's go. You should have a function truncate string that accepts two arguments. The first one string, and the second one is number. Yeah. If the length of the string is more than the given number, if str.length is bigger than num, yeah, can you str.length, does that exist in JavaScript? String length. Sorry, I don't remember. String length. Yes, it does. Okay. Yeah, okay, there is a length method. Nice. If the length of the string is more than the given number, the string should be truncated to reduce the length so that it equals to the given number, and ... should be appended at the end of the truncated string. If the length of the string is equal 2 or lower than the given number, the string should be returned unchanged. Okay, so I think this should, it's using splice or using slice, I guess. Like something to cut, because if I'm not mistaken, string is just an array. That means we could just delete that. Trim, or yeah, using trim or something like this. Okay, the trim method fails to remove white space from, no, it's not this one. That means it's to slice. There we go. Yes, this is what I hope it is meant. Okay, the slice method fails to extract a section of this string and returns it as a new string without modifying the original string. Okay, so what my idea is that, see, it has the box 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. Okay, so it just grabs what's in the middle. So that is true. Okay, so we do using the slice and not split. Ordered list of substring. Okay. No, it's not the split. Is it subster? Deprecate. Okay, it's deprecated. Never mind. This is also deprecated. Okay. Returns the part of this string from the start index up to and excluding the end index or the end of the string. Okay. It just grabbed the O and okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Ah, okay, we can use substring or we could use the slice or slice. Either the slice or substring. Which one? The end index or the end of the string if no index is applied. Okay, which one do you guys think it's better? It's splice, right? Yeah, it's splice, right? I think it's splice better. Okay, because we can just put the is it slice or splice? I think if it's string method, then it's slice. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so if the length of the string is more than the given number, the string should be truncated to reduce the length so that it is equal to the given number and dot dot dot. Okay, so basically what it wants is to return str.slice. Is it slice or splice? Why couldn't I find splice? Let's do slice. Let's do slice. It's okay. If it's wrong, we can do both. Hello, Bagas Aryo. Welcome. Do you think it's splice or slice? I couldn't find the splice on the docs, surprisingly, so that's why it's a bit odd. But the slice one I can find, especially because this is specifically for the string methods. So it's slice. Okay, let's use slice. Okay, so it's gonna be slice. So I think it's going to be 0 plus num, like that. And then we add it with, oh, no. Let's add it using, we forgot. The string concatenation. Okay, wait. What couldn't I? That is not good. Yes, I know. This expression is not valid. Return slice plus double dot. The string should be truncated to reduce the length so that it equals to the given number. Okay, is it okay, let's test it and see if it's work, because it's either num or num plus 1 or num minus 1, depending on, okay, let's read it again. The index of the first character to include in the return substring. So 0 is correct. So we want to return that word. We just want to cut the n. The index of the first character to exclude from the return substring. Okay. Slice extract up to not including index n. For example, so extract the 5th character through the 8th character. Okay, so yeah. let's just say the string is Bob, but the number is 2, right? And so that means it's gonna be bo dot dot dot, and using the num, which is num is 2, 0, 1, 2, it is actually correct because we want to remove that last index because it only take until the 0 and 1. That means if the number is 2, so this should be correct, right? Semangat Pak. Yes, okay, that is correct. So if the length of the string is equal, if okay, if the length of the string is more than the given number, the string, if the length of the string is equal to or lower. So that means we could just do else, return str if the length of the string is equal to 2 or lower than the given number, the string should, if the length of the string is equal to, sorry, no, it's another else. If this should be correct, right? Okay, if the length of the string is equal to or lower than the given number, the number should be returned unchanged. So it's just gonna be, if it's Bob and then it's 3, it's gonna return Bob, I think. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's read the test case and let's just run the damn thing. Truncate string a tisket a tasket a green and yellow. Is it, what's his name? Dr. something? Dr. Seuss? Peter Piper. No, it's just a random provider picked a pack of pickled peppers. And it's gonna be that, and then I think, no, God. It's gonna be a tiscat, a tascat, a green and yellow basket. Oh yeah, we could just copy. I thought it's like a different one. Azo. Okay, so okay. Fudge brownies. Okay. A tisket. A. Yeah, it's just gonna grab that length for us. This because it's gonna be a number. Okay, yeah. I tisket, tasket, a green and yellow basket. Oh, it doesn't have that. What length? Because it should be the same, right? Yes. Length plus 2. Yeah, okay. Shoot, I should have put console log. Okay. Yes, sir. Amazing resource. I forgot to give it a console log. Okay. Why do I have to verify this, bro? Oh god, am I gonna get what's it called? Not scam. What's it called? Ugh. Fished, fist, fist, fished, fishing. Lord, oh my god, why is it so complicated? Okay, apparently, the TikTok live actually works, but why is it not showing here? So where does it shows? Or is it not showing? Okay, one second. Let me check one more thing because I'm using a plugin in OBS and it says that it worked, but I didn't really see anything. Um, so where do I get the new? Okay, so apparently it works, but for some reason it just doesn't work. I'm so fucking confused on why is it not working or how this one works. I'm gonna need to check. Okay, never mind. Uh, yeah, sorry. Oh, sorry. Someone wrote a chat. Hi, remember me? You're only just from scratch now. Last time I was on your stream writing some app for my code. Yeah, hello. Just Chrissy. Hello, hello. How you been? We have a Discord channel now, but it's a bit of a, what do you call it? Like sometimes it's active, sometimes it doesn't. So if you guys want to interact with each other, share some code, learn together, share some resources, share your setup, share your memes, share your notes, your portfolio, feel free to do so. I think the link still works, but let me know if it doesn't work. Yeah, I was writing some app. Yeah, at how long ago was that? Well, I mean, yeah, the okay, sorry. Okay, how can what's the best neo vim move to add a console log to all this function call? Don't forget to drink your water. Sorry. There we go. Control. I think it's Control Shift B. Okay, that doesn't work. Control Q. Control Q just exit the stuff. Okay. Okay. It's not. I don't know. It's not working. Expression. Let's try this command. So it's gonna be did as like blah, 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 v truncate string. This is regular expression, guys. I've never really understand the concept. Oh my god, that is so cool. It just rewrites the whole thing for me. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is such a cool. Okay. That is so cool. Okay. I just forgot the to do that. And have to delete that. But that is so cool. Neo Vim, everybody. Okay. Okay, this should work, right? Let's see if the test case is similar. If not, then it's gonna. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Nice, nice. Peter Piper, that is also correct. It should be the same. It should be the same as well. And that is actually pretty accurate. Nice. Okay. Oops. And that didn't really print it. Okay, 1 second. There we go. Nice. Cool. Okay, cool. What's next? Confirm the ending tool. Okay, this is another JavaScript, but it's okay because we want to drown ourselves in JS land. Confirm. In this lab, you'll implement a function that checks if the string ends with a given target string or fulfill the user source. Okay, confirm by creating a function confirm ending string to check and this str1 str2. So that's how we find the errors in NeoVim. Which one? Like, so this NeoVim, I'm using Astro and Vim. So it's already like set up, all the linter, all the LSP and everything. Uh, I have my own config in WSL, but it's broken, and I haven't had the time, or I don't really want to fix it, because I think it was still using. It is updated to the 0.11 version because I believe it's like 0.12 now or 0.13. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm just gonna use the Astro one because it's like already set up nicely, LSP, linter, and everything config already. But it doesn't have any AI integration, so it's like good for practice where I don't get the help from AI. But oh my god, are you using Google Translate? Kavya, but semoga sukses tetap lakukan live stream tiap hari terus berlatih semoga kedepan kamu. Thank you, terima kasih. Thank you, man. That really means a lot. Thank you for joining me studying as well and accompanying me tonight or morning or whatever time it is. But thank you. That really means a lot. It is tough, guys. I've been binge watching a lot of like AI agent stuff as well. Like I tried like I was experimenting and like I tried to like install open code, but it wasn't really good in the sense that on Windows version. It's not the one that is. Never mind. No, it's not that good. I haven't had much time to explore it because I don't really have any paid uh I don't really want to pay for any AI, but I just heard that open code allows the usage of like GitHub Copilot. Since I have like the GitHub student from my uni account, I can use that. So I would really love to test that. And yeah, but in the meantime, I kind of want to relearn and practice JavaScript just in case I got an interview. I've been applying like crazy, just like everybody else. But yeah, um, hope everyone can relate and yeah, just keep trying, guys, because that's all we can do right now. Okay, I'm not sure. It says that my TikTok is working on live, but when I go to TikTok, I don't see anything. So that's why I'm a bit confused. Like, what is wrong? I guess it works, but I couldn't really see it. Maybe if I use different account. One second, I have another account for one of my project, homework.xyz. Let's see. Oh my god, it is. It is working. It's working. It's live. I'm live. I didn't know that. Holy, how can I see the chat? Okay. Okay. This is so cool. This is my other account. I don't see my main alive. Bang bahasa Indo dong. Oke. Campur-campur. Gak apa-apa. YouTube juga streaming. Wow, okay, it works. Like I can do it on TikTok as well, but I couldn't see it on my own account. This is using a different account. Pakai NeoVim. Wow, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, it works. Okay, now I need to figure out how can like the TikTok chat appear as well. So I'll figure that out later. But hello, welcome everyone. Okay, I want to check the audio sound. How good is it? It is very good. Can I? Okay, this is cool. I didn't know. That is so cool. I didn't know that the TikTok works, but okay, I guess that works. Cool. Huh. Okay, nice. What is this? I can like give to myself, although I don't think that's possible, is it? Oh, I can. Okay, maybe I'll try that to like give myself. Just so. What is this interaction? Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna need to learn how can I make sure. Ini biar chatnya ada di PC gimana ya? Karena ini nggak ada. Keren juga tapi. Oke, nanti kita coba ya teman-teman. Let's find. I didn't know it was live. Sorry. Using Vibe code, right? Hi. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I couldn't really see the chat, but okay, it's working now. Okay, I'm gonna open my phone on the side to check the thing and yeah. Okay, cool, nice. Um Cool. Okay, nice. Okay, okay. I didn't know that the TikTok works. But that's so cool. Okay, you guys, I'll open the TikTok from now on. So let's continue with this. The text to parameter, the string to check, and the string to checks against. the function to return true if the first string. Okay, let's see. Hello, Maya. I saw ini, on TikTok. Sorry, I can only see the chat from TikTok using here, so I hope it's not. Hi. How would I say it ya? Ini I'm actually also studying. Ini lagi belajar juga. Buat belajar Python, bisa cek. I think a good interact. What is the name? You can check roadmap.sh, and from here, I think there is a Python. Yeah, there we go. Like you can go to this website. This website is like open source and free. Bisa cek roadmap.sh. Coba search nama akun sendiri, akun live kamu. Nah, itu dia 20. I'm getting hard on looping. I'm also still learning. I don't know if I could help, but I could probably make some videos on Python if you want. I did make some Python videos. It was from my, oh God, it was from like when I was waiting for my visa. But what do you think is like the hardest part? And which one is the confusing part on looping that you don't understand? Thank you. Okay. So for Maya, what makes you confused about looping? Like which type of loop is confusing for you? Although I'm using JavaScript right now, I don't know if I could give it a good example, but what makes it confusing on Python? Well, I mean, I know in Python, like there's some of the syntax, especially if it's like looping in the array or looping something, it's a bit confusing. But yeah, for example, the for in one, I still sometimes don't have the thought about it. But do you guys want me to open a class? I don't feel like I'm that smart yet. I mean, I could make a video if you guys want. Okay. I didn't know that TikTok works, you know? I thought it didn't work, but it worked. Okay. Um, okay. How should I explain it? Because if it's without loops, there we go. Yeah, semangat Kamaya. I know it's hard. I know it's confusing. I guess the only thing that you can try is like try practice with it. Find like I think you can try exorcism, like website for like practicing, like because the free code camp doesn't have like, wait, I think the free code camp they have Python. You can check it out here, even here, like Python basics, uh, variables, strings, booleans, conditional, and I think they have loops and sequences. Okay, let's I'm gonna need some GPT help over here, so let's do that. I'm gonna try to explain it as, but we're diverting from the main stuff here. Sorry, I didn't know that the TikTok is getting interactive, but okay. Okay, this is gonna be fun and confusing at the same times. Okay, so loops are fundamental in programming, allowing you to execute a block of code repeatedly. Python offers two main, the for loops and while loops. If you know that, right? Because there are different types of loops, but I think one of the main one here, as explained, the for and while loops. Okay, imagine you have a list of 10 names you want to print on each other. Okay, I'm just gonna reading this and I'm gonna add something to make it easier, biar lebih gampang mungkin ya. Oke, contoh kayak ya misalnya kamu punya 10 nama, terus mau di print namanya satu-satu. Kalau misalnya nggak ada loop kan berarti kita harus nggak iniin print setiap line dong. Kayak bikin 10 baris print ini, print ini, print ini, print ini gitu. Dan itu nggak efisien kan, karena kalau di kita programming, kita coding ada konsep namanya dry atau don't repeat yourself, di mana uh, ya banyak pengulangan itu ya repetitif, kadang nggak efisien dan nggak apa ya, nggak bagus gitu, karena jadi nyusahin, code kepanjangan jadi susah baca atau orang nggak ngerti padahal ini bisa pakai loop apa segala macam gitu kan. Nah, kalau for loop itu ya ini, for loop is used to iterating over a sequence like list, tuple, string, or range. Uh, aku lupa deh kalau di Python tuh yang kayak array itu list atau tuple ya. Ya itulah pokoknya. I'm sorry, such a I haven't prepared any material. Well, I mean, technically you can using countable, but it's more for like uh iterating tuh apa ya bahasa bahasa Indonesianya? Fuck, I'm forgetting English and I'm forgetting bahasa here. Hmm. Okay, so okay. Let me give you an example, yeah. Okay. Fuck. Okay. This is actually a very hard example. Okay. Kayak contoh, kita punya array ya. Array itu kan data structure yang isinya list array item. Terus kita pengen ngeprint atau nunjukin si apple, banana, cherry ini kita pengen pengen print satu-satu gitu. Sebenarnya kita bisa aja akan tulis fruit dot kosong, fruit kosong. You know what? Let me show you. I don't really have any Python environment working. Okay, let me show you this. No, okay. The one that I'm currently doing, that I'm practicing, is JavaScript, but looping essentially works similar in all other languages. Um, okay, here we go. I don't need to sign up. I already have an account. Continue with Google. No, I just wanna. Oh, fuck, man, I don't know this. Home. Okay. Okay, for example, kayak kamu punya sebuah uh, ini ya, kayak misal array ini. Tapi kamu tahu array kan? Kayak I forgot sometimes the data is okay. Jadi kita misalnya punya is it Python or Python list? I forgot, man. I'm starting to forget Python. It's been JavaScript. Oke, so kita punya list ya, list atau array di Python. Kita punya isinya apel, banana, sama cherry. Kita bisa aja sebenarnya kita kalau mau ngeprint itu bikinnya kayak gini. Print fruits 0. Karena dia indeks 0 kan. Sorry. Titik. Tangga ada titik komanya. Ini kita comment dulu. Kita run. There we go. Fruits, ini apple. Cuman kan kita misalnya mau ngeprint banana juga atau sama cherry. Berarti kan kita harus copy si print ini. Ubah indeksnya. Baru bisa ini semua kan. Baru bisa tuh apple, banana, cherry ke print semua. Nah, ya sebenarnya kita bisa aja. Ini kalau misalnya item yang di dalam listnya itu pendek, sedikit, kayak contoh di sini apple, banana, cherry, dia kan cuma 3 ya. Jadi kita nulisnya cuma 3 line. Tapi kalau tiba-tiba di sini itu nanti ada mango, ada rambutan, ada apa sampai ratusan atau bahkan ribuan buah. Itu kan kita nggak mungkin nulis copy paste satu-satu dan nulisin indeksnya. Kayak gitu. Jadi, kita bisa pakai for loop, contohnya ini. Jadi, sintaksnya itu for fruit. Jadi, kita istilahnya kita untuk variabel yang fruit yang pertama ini kita bisa bebas aja. Cuman biasanya itu adalah singular dari ininya. Kalau dilihat di sini kan fruits ini kan ini ya, plural ya. Yang dia tuh ada banyak. Jadi buat item singlenya dia cuma pakai yang singular. For fruit, in fruits, print fruit. Jadi basically ini bakal ngelakuin sama kayak tadi print 0123 tapi dengan ya cuma 2 baris ini. Mau isi fruitsnya ini seberapa panjang, dia bakal bisa ngeprint semuanya. Kayak gitu. Jadi si for loop ini itu bagus ketika ada hal yang sebenarnya ya bisa aja manual kayak tadi ngeprint satu-satu, tapi kita nggunain for loop ini untuk istilahnya ketika nanti jumlah datanya tuh udah banyak banget, ya kita bisa ngelooping aja, istilahnya ngeiterasi atau ngulangin si perintah untuk ngeprint ini ya dengan kayak gini aja, dengan di looping kayak gitu. Of course, it is, and that's okay, and that's fine, that's programming. Even me, I forget Python syntax because I haven't learned it for a while, but it's okay because it is hard, and good job for keep for trying and keep learning and just asking questions because that means you want to learn. But yeah, that is the for in one. And yeah, sorry, we got sidetracked again. But okay, let me do my JavaScript first, and then if you have, there has to be like a better example to show like the power of looping. But I want to do this first if I may. 1 second, yeah. You can grab a coffee, a snack, a drink, anything that you want. But yeah, if you want to practice, like doing questions and learning the materials, I think FreeCodeCamp is such a good at resources. They have a lot of certification and basic, and it's interactive. It's inside your browser. You don't need to set up Node. You don't need to set up Python environment and something like that. You can just type it and it will like do it for you. So it's basically like a sandbox, like a browser IDE code editor on itself. And yeah, you don't need to set up anything. But yeah, sorry, where were we? Confirm ending. Why are you so excited? I don't know. Maybe I drank too much water. Sorry. It's just that on YouTube there's not that many questions in the past like weeks. But yeah, sorry. It's just that it's been a while since I received a lot of questions and things like that because the TikTok one is much more interactive than YouTube. Like there's more people that chat or like views the live compared to like YouTube sometimes. So it is very fascinating and interesting to see that the plugin on OBS worked both on YouTube and TikTok. So I hope my internet is not. Yeah, sorry. Back again. If the first string ends with the second string, okay. Standard objects. Okay, it's either the substar. Okay, substring then. Methods fails return the part of the string from the index. Okay, how does that work? Okay, but this is like the Bastian and okay. So it's not just a string, but it's also a character because and okay. Ends. Okay, we cannot use the ends with because that says it's cheating. How can we? Is it trim? The trim method of string values remove white space. No. Trim n. Okay, no, it's just remove white space. Okay. So I want to confirm something because I forgot. Let's say okay, it does work like that. Okay, string dot length gonna do 3. 3 minus 2, sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2, which means 0, 1, 2, it is the last length. Okay, so this works. Okay, so what we can do is let's just give an example where str1 is equals to Bob and str2 is equals to B, right? Okay. A good function would put like the check like, oh, if str1 and str2 does not equals to type of string, then it would return, oh, you need to input string, blah blah, blah, but it's okay. Sorry, love energy. Hey, thank you, love you. Okay, I have we have a Discord. YouTube. Okay, wait, yeah. I don't know. Oh, okay, wait 1 second. Let me check. We have a Discord on YouTube. Like, okay, I don't know if you could. I don't know if my TikTok have. Okay, if does my TikTok have? You can go to YouTube and go to RD Hernando, and you can go to the one of the live videos, and in one of the live videos, in the video description, there is a Discord channel that recently made. Halo Bang, iya orang Indo. Betul, saya orang Indo. Okay. So that works. That works. We can do that. We can do like this one because the string is an array. So yeah, okay. If str1 seconds, if the first string ends with this, okay. If str dot one str1 minus one is equal to, should it be the same type? Yeah. Then it should return 2, else I don't know. Let's see. Let's okay. String is array. Use my function instead. Oh, okay. Wait, how does that? Okay. There is no map for string. Like, okay, let's see JavaScript map. Yeah, I forgot JavaScript. Let's see JavaScript maps. Is it this one? No, this map is the data structure. No. Like the dot map. Map. Yeah, ES6 array. Okay, this is for array, no? You should create a function named confirm ending that takes the parameter. The function should return true if the first string ends with the second string, because string. That's string. Okay, because we confirmed that string length is equals to this. So this one should equal to b as well, and string 2 is this. You should not use this. Okay, if the first string ends with the second string, false otherwise, yeah, okay, this is pretty simple, right? You should create a function named confirm ending. Confirm should take 2 parameters. Confirm ending bastion should return 2. So let's do that. Let's do confirm ending bastion and n. So it should return true. Oh shit. Okay, no. I cannot just do that. No. This is wrong. Yeah, you're right. Because what if it's like 2 string? Okay, this is a dumb way to do it, but this is how I see it. Okay, so okay, let's do a much better. Let's do these nuts. Now let's just say the word is UTS, because the str.lang, yeah, this wouldn't work. Sorry, yeah, that was such a terrible implementation. It's equal to str. So in order to do that, we can do str1 dot slice, and it would This is not an optimal one, but wait, this is such a retarded answer, but let me cook. Let me cook. Okay, string. Let's do string 3. Okay, let's string 3 length equals to string 3. Let's ini contoh aja. Okay, let's string 3 sana these nuts. Let me cook. Let me cook. It's probably gonna be wrong, but it's okay. Let's see how shall this works. Yeah. Okay, I'm liking my own video just to see if there's any interaction, see if people following. Okay. So, okay, no, that does not work. It does it. You know what? Let's just try it right away. It's probably gonna be wrong, but I like to be proven wrong anyways. Kerja di mana bang sekarang? Masih nyari bang. Yeah, crazy. I know. I've been. Okay. It's gonna be okay. So str2 lengths is going to be 1. str1 dot slice is basically gonna grab the length minus 2. Okay, let's just say Bastian is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 divided, sorry, subtract by 1 is 5, so it is gonna start at 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 and until the end. Ini expected outputnya gimana? Kalau misalnya si Bastian, ini kan ujungnya N, ini juga ujungnya N. Ini kayaknya emang jawabannya agak ngaco sih. Tapi kayak entah kenapa ketemunya kayak gitu. Tapi kayaknya salah. Tapi nggak apa-apa. Lihat reviewnya mas ini. Jadi kita mau bikin uh, function di mana kayak misalnya ini ada string Bastian, terus ujungnya kan dia N. Terus nanti ada second string namanya N. Kalau misalnya si N sama N ujung yang string pertama itu sama dengan string yang kedua, itu dia nggak return true. Ini jujur agak-agak jawabannya sangat-sangat tidak efisien sih, tapi itu yang kepikiran, Pak. Ini kita coba dulu ya. Ini kayaknya sih salah ya, tapi nggak apa-apa. Enggak, ini salah sih kayaknya. Ini salah sih, cuman nggak apa-apa deh. Coba dulu. Ini pasti salah, cuman nggak apa-apa. Coba sebentar. Bener juga. Oke, wait. Saya paham, saya paham, saya paham, saya paham. Wait. Emang ada ini untuk reverse ya? Tunggu. Ah, bener sih. Di split aja, terus ngambil enggak ding. Tapi kan yang ininya harus di split juga, harus diputar juga ya. Tapi kalau gitu string dua-duanya kalimatnya dipecah jadi beberapa objek ya sih Mas, biar gampang nyari pengertian. Iya, bener. Tadinya iya makanya ini tadinya mau di splice kayak gitu, cuman kayaknya salah. Tunggu. Cuman kalau misalnya si yang string pertama di reverse, string keduanya nanti harus di reverse juga nggak? Misalnya ini kan Bastian, nanti kalau di reverse kan jadi Night Sub, tapi kan berarti si N-nya nanti kalau misalnya NA gitu, jadi harus dibalik juga. Buat nentuin si kalimat terakhirnya itu sama dengan kata selanjutnya. Kira-kira gimana? Gimana Bang caranya? Any ideas how? Yes. Okay, how should we do it if it's using the map method? Uh, okay. Substring. Oh, there we go. Okay, wait. Ada kok reverse. Oke, oke. Coba. Kok ini enggak? Oke. Oke, tunggu. Ini kan berarti harusnya nggak gini. Si logic ininya. Gini bukan? Jadi kan misalnya kita reverse nih, misalnya di snatch. Jadi setu, setu tuh berarti misalnya. Berarti kan si nomor duanya harus di reverse juga nggak sih? Sebenarnya oke, bener sih. Berarti dia mulai dia dari indeks 0 sama length ininya minus 1. Bener nggak sih? Apakah betul? Soalnya agak read. Nggak sih. Nggak tahu sih ini bisa atau nggak ya. Kita coba ya. Can you show me the problem statement? Yeah, sure. This is the problem statement. So you should create a function name this tutor balikin santet via SQL injection. Oke. Aduh, oke. Jujur saya lupa. Oke. Give me short description. What is give example? Because from what I remember, it's like when user could input some certain SQL into like the form or something where it's not like serialized or like the inputnya nggak ada validasinya, if I'm not mistaken. Iya, jadi nanti data yang dikeluarin, ya, properly sanitize, ya, properly sanitize or validate user input betul. Can execute by the database. Yang pakai golang bang biar nggak bisa decrypt. What was that IC for username? Normally it takes what you. But with SQL, an attacker types something tricky. It's also a piece of SQL code, confused with the database. Oh, is it one of those like the SQL injection plate meme? Like kayak orang pakai plat nomor mobilnya apa drop table. Ini lucu sih. Cuman kalau nggak salah katanya malah ini nggak sih, backfired in the sense nanti dia nggak drop yang lain tapi nomor dia doang sisanya kalau nggak salah. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Jigar, could you help me with the map? Uh, okay, let's just do Ulay. Okay, we have the reverse. Ya begitulah ya teman-teman. Oke, 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 oke. Jadi sebenarnya pengen dapetin gimana caranya dia itu bisa dapet nge-splice uh, index length si string yang pertama dikurangin sama panjang length string yang kedua kan. Berarti contoh misalnya si disnat sini ada berapa sih? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ada 8. Sini kan berarti ada 3. Berarti kalau misalnya dia berarti kan 1, 0, sorry 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry. Dia lengthnya emang 8, tapi berarti dia mulainya 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Berarti dia lengthnya dikurangin 4. Berarti dia itu harus mulai slice dari str1 dot length dikurangin str2 length tambah 1. str2 dot length tambah 1. Betul tidak? Coba kita cobain. Tapi tunggu, slice T ngambil yang terakhir nggak ya? Ya, agak retard sih jawabannya, sorry. Please TikTok don't flag me. Contoh datanya ini coba, sorry ya, ini test case agak-agak ini soalnya. Ini contoh, misalnya si Bastian. Sebenarnya harusnya ini gampang, cuman mohon maaf saya udah ngantuk. Sorry, I'm a bit tired sekarang. What's going on? Hello, we are trying to solve this function that was supposed to be easy, but oh wait, we can do this. The minus. Oh shit. Wait. Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -4. -4, -4. So it's -4 ya. Ini berarti harusnya nggak usah gini. Ini bisa string minus azo. Oke, wait. Wait. No. Ya. Wait. Ini tapi kasih ini nggak tahu ya bisa atau enggak, tapi kita cobalah jawaban ini. Yes, betul. Huruf terakhir kayaknya di slice -1. Iya betul. Ini yang mau dicoba. This is what we're trying to do. Okay, so since this work um, oke, kita coba agak oke, kita coba lagi. If str1.slice minus str2.length ini sorry bener nggak ya? Harusnya ini benar. Harusnya ini benar. Harusnya ini benar. Kita coba ya, teman-teman. Node confirm. Kita coba lagi. Oke, sekarang kita coba. Ya, kita coba itulah. It's supposed to work. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Sorry, my neighbor. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Yes, betul. That's like one of the logic. Okay. They should work, okay? They should work. They should work, guys. Okay. Sorry. Okay, guys, let's test it. Let's see if this works. Let's fucking go. It works. Okay, let's go. Let's fucking go. It works. Nice. Okay. Okay, wow, I didn't know the TikTok can be interactive, and I need to figure out how to display the chat on TikTok, yeah? Because this is not very ini juga. I couldn't really see the ini. Uh, ini coba ya, ini multi chat. Let's see if I can make it work. Okay. Okay, I couldn't really see the TikTok one, but yeah, it's not here. TikTok chat. Oh my god, this is the TikTok chat. Okay, it's 4:04, so we couldn't really see the TikTok chat here. There has to be some way um to show it. This is the YouTube chat, but does it work? It does, but it's only like I cannot really type back, and that's not good. Okay, this one doesn't have reverse. Ah, okay, yeah, but it does have reverse because we've shown before. Nice. Okay, my head's are starting to hurt. I think I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you Bang Gloomy dan siapa tadi? Bang Manusia Bebas. Semoga bukannya di Indo jam 4 pagi ya. Jujur kepala saya sekarang sudah mulai pusing ya. Walaupun baru 1,5 jam. Cuman tadi kita udah nyelesain function. Sebenarnya kita ada 2 lagi tapi I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna continue to do it tomorrow. And yeah, it's been very nice being back on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. Increasing as much viewers as possible because you know we gotta earn the cloud. Dirimu foreign ya? Lagi di lokasi yang foreign aja bang, tapi saya asli Indo kok. Ini kebetulan aja lagi di time zone yang berbeda. Okay, lovely. Thank you very much for everyone watching. I'm gonna figure out how I can see the TikTok chat without open. Tutor mas step by step bahasa Inggris. Aku mau lebih aware ke remote work Australia. Iya, I think itu oke sih bang. Very nice, very good. I think I should probably find work somewhere else that, unlike here in Germany, the language is hard, the weather is not good. The weather is a bit of a ini, tapi ya begitulah ya. Ya, itu sih bang, kayak ini juga ini streaming biar maksain ngomong bahasa Inggris juga sebenarnya, biar forcing bahasa Inggris. And for example, the audience from YouTube is a lot of people is from India. There are some people from the US, some people from Indonesia, and a lot of people also from Germany. So that's why I'm speaking in English. So that's one of the reason. But yeah, one of the reason that I started to stream was for me to force myself to speak and talk and yap in English so that I could be more spontaneous as well and not nervous when talking to people. Iya, sama bang, aku juga lagi belajar bahasa Jerman gitu. Untuk baca dan denger masih oke lah. Tapi kalau buat ngomong emang kadang suka jadi gugup dan buyar. Ya itu sih bang, bener. Mau nggak mau harus dipaksain, diajak ngobrol. Atau sering-sering nonton Inggris, nonton series, nonton YouTube, nonton film apa. Sambil pakai subtitle bahasa Indo gitu. Aku sih belajar Jerman dan belajar Inggris kira-kira kayak gitu. Em, apa ya, paling ya sama kayak misalnya aku baca-baca artikel atau buku atau resource-resource untuk programming, kan majority documentationnya juga bahasa Inggris, jadi kayak hampir tiap, enggak sih, pasti tiap hari eh, entah baca, ngomong, ngedenger, pasti bahasa Inggris gitu. Seru nih ngomongin remote kerjaan, ya, tapi realitanya susah ya teman-teman. Oke, I guess segitu dulu teman-teman. I know in Indonesia it's like 4 or like 5 a.m. So I don't know why are you guys, either you guys haven't slept or you guys just wake up. Boleh, cuman LinkedIn saya masih kosong, Pak. Saya baru mau ngerapihin LinkedIn lagi. Boleh, tunggu ini. Aku ada website .xyz. Uh, ya, sebenarnya LinkedIn nama saya, Pak Erdianando. Saya kebetulan lagi di Jerman. Di sini masih jam 10. Nggak tahu kelihatan atau enggak, tapi di sini masih jam 10. Jadi teman-teman, entah kenapa TikTok live-nya itu masih server Indo, walaupun location-nya udah diganti ke EU, tapi gitu. Kalau misalnya di YouTube dia udah transfer to EU. Oh my god, oke. Okay. Oke, I guess that's it for today. Again, sorry banget teman-teman kalau agak-agak all over the place. Nggak nemu. Oke, tunggu coba. LinkedIn saya tapi masih kosong, Pak. Jadi emang nggak ada apa-apanya. Ini makanya besok baru mau ngerapihin lagi. Ini, ada nggak? Atau ke website rdianandro.xyz kalau mau. Salam kenal. Kaderana, thank you so much. Sudah join live-nya. Damn, oke. Okay. Ini semuanya main masuk-masukin aja lagi. Oke, ya kira-kira begitu ya teman-teman. Berarti nanti besok kayaknya insya Allah mau nyoba ngerapihin biar masuk-masukin project. Terus update kayak bahwa saya sudah lulus ya. Saya bukan electrical engineering student lagi, tapi electrical engineering graduate. Terus kayaknya nanti bisa naruh project ya. Oke. Okay. Oke, okay, nanti kita coba cari-cari LinkedIn, oke? Okay? Terus ya udahlah, mau nggak mau kita gunakan open to work-nya. Ini zero post inspiration. Insya Allah besok mau nyoba ngepost sesuatu. Damn. Ya, masa nggak nemu? Ini mas, RD Hernando tuh. Duh, nyusah lagi ini ya. Wait. Address, birthday. Duh, jangan deh. Instant messaging, boleh deh. Sok adanya apa? Google Hangout? Who the fuck uses that anymore? Okay, sorry. Oke, nanti masukin ini juga. Ini salah. Ini harusnya save. Gak apa-apa bang. Saya baru lulus, ini sudah menganggur berapa bulan ya? Sudah mau setengah tahun menganggur mencari ini. Belum merapikan LinkedIn. Kayaknya memang harus mulai diperbaiki ya LinkedIn-nya, karena saya sudah bukan capek sih, lebih tepatnya nggak optimize dari awal. dan sekarang ujung-ujungnya nggak ini. Aduh, nggak apa-apa, emang harus dimulai dari sekarang karena jujur di LinkedIn kan orang-orang udah mulai kayak Facebook ya dan Instagram, jadi ngepost up anything they want to post. But ya, oke. Bang Faiz dan semuanya, thank you so much for joining me studying today, helping me with solving the question. But yeah, I think my back's starting to hurt and I need to sleep. Yeah, there's only shit posts, and I'm gonna add to those shit posts. Yeah, I think if not tomorrow, anytime this week, I'm gonna update it. So yeah, I'll see you guys again. If not tomorrow, then some other day this week. But hopefully everyone have a great day, great noon. Sorry. Hopefully everyone have a great day, great afternoon or night or whatever it is your time zone in. And yeah, very exciting to see that I'm allowed to do both live on TikTok and YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how to make the experience better and see the chat without opening my other account. So yeah, bye bye.